So hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope all of you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today I'm gonna start a brand new series which is called module series. इसमें मैं आपको जितने एमी के मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं उसके बारे में डिस्कस करूँगा, बट फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग आई एम गोना स्टार्ट मॉड्यूल 15 यानी कि टरबाइन इंजन सीरीज़. इसमें मैं इंजन से रिलेटेड स्टार्टिंग टू एंड जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं उसको आपको एक्सप्लेन करने का कोशिश करूँगा. आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग regarding turbine engine and then slowly we will cover all modules. So I hope you guys really excited to watch this series, so please share this series to your friends, those who need this video. So today I'm going to talk about the fundamentals of टरबाइन इंजन, और उसके पहले जो बेसिक फिजिक्स से मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा जो टरबाइन इंजन को चलाने में काम करता है. सो इसके बारे में आज बात करने वाला हूँ. सो वीडियो को प्लीज़ अंत तक देखिए और इन्जॉय कीजिए. और अगर आप अभी तक अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. जो रेड कलर का बटन दिख रहा होगा उसको फटाफट से ग्रे कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि जो मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए. सो या कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस brand new series. So basically the discussion about turbine engine begins with some of the basic physics that is applicable for turbine engine operation. So we're gonna start with that only, and I'm very sure that those who have passed class 12th is very much familiar with these words. Like the first word is energy. What is energy? Energy is capacity to do work. Like if you have the capacity to perform with certain work, that is called energy. And energy is basically classified into two parts: potential energy and kinetic energy. So we'll see these two energies one by one. So firstly we're going to talk about potential energy. What is potential energy and what is the use of potential energy in aviation, in aircraft? So we're going to see that also. So firstly we're going to talk about potential energy. So potential energy is basically, you can say, the energy that is at rest or that can be stored. That potential energy can be stored. And potential energy have also different forms, like the energy that is due to position, and the energy that is due to the distortion of elastic body, and the energy due to chemical action. So the basic example that we all are familiar with in day-to-day life is water stored in a reservoir on a certain height. That stores potential energy, because the formula of potential energy is weight into height. So that stores potential energy. And if you talk about in aviation term, and the basic example of potential energy in aviation is an aeroplane raised off the ground and sitting on the jacks are the example of potential energy, because the aeroplane have weight and certain height. So these two particular examples falls in potential energy, and I hope you understood the potential energy, the concept of potential energy. And if we talk about the units of potential energy, so foot pound and inch pound is considered as the units of potential energy. So let us see one example about potential energy and how to calculate the potential energy. So I have written down here so that it will be easier for me to explain to you guys. So consider one Boeing 747 weighing 4,50,000 pounds need to raise 4 feet in the air. So maintenance can be done on landing gear. How much potential energy does the aeroplane possess because the raised position? So we all know that potential energy is equal to weight into height. So we'll multiply both the units, like 4,50,000 lb into 4 feet. So we'll get the value. The potential energy due to this position, due to raised position of the aircraft, is 18 lakh. So now let's talk about our second form of energy, which is kinetic energy. And we all know that kinetic energy is due to when a body in motion, like when a body in motion, then that body holds kinetic energy. And if you talk about one example in aviation language, like when an aeroplane is rolling on the runway, then the aeroplane holds a very large amount of kinetic energy. And how to calculate the kinetic energy? So the formula to calculate the kinetic energy is half mv square. Half m the mass of the aeroplane and v is the velocity. And if you talk about unit, then the unit of kinetic energy is as same as the potential energy, which is feet, pound and inch pound. So you can better imagine that how much kinetic energy a plane holds when it is in takeoff position. you can better imagine that. So today in this video we have learned very small thing. We have learned about energy, that what is potential energy and what is kinetic energy and what is their use in aviation and with the aeroplane. So I'm ending my today's topic here only. In next topic, in next video of this turbine engine series, we will see the laws of motion and what is the use of first law, second law and third law of motion in aeroplane and in aviation. So we'll see in next video, and slowly we will cover all the turbine engine section, turbine engine module, and then slowly we will cover all the modules like electrical, electronic, digital and all the modules. So I hope you guys really enjoy, and I hope you will definitely enjoy this series. And many of you guys message me and DMs me on Instagram that please you start this kind of series. So yeah, on demand of your guys, I have just started this series, and I have also started one series which is aviation news series, which is brand new series on this channel, and I have already uploaded 3 videos regarding that. So please go and watch that video also in free time. You will watch AME series also and many videos regarding aviation. So I'm ending this video here only. Till then, do whatever you want to do, and yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please go and subscribe here. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then ID is here. I'll put the link in the description box. You can check out from here and follow me there also. So guys, thanks for watching this video. इस वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं किसी नए और exciting वीडियो में. Till then, do whatever you want to do. Do double N. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care and see you. Jai Hind and see you soon.